Okay, here is a story problem. Mrs. Rodriguez has 30 bundles of straws. There are 10 straws in each bundle. How many straws does Miss Rodriguez have? Okay, so what are we going to find? How many straws Miss Rodriguez has? Okay. There are how many tens blocks, boys and girls? In this picture, how many tens blocks are there? No, not 100. There are not 100 tens.
30.
There are 30 tens. Here, please. There are 30 tens. If we counted all these tens, there would be 30 of them. Okay? There are 10 in this top. There are 10 in this middle. And there are 10 tens in this in the third line. Okay? So if there is 10, then this makes how many total straws for this one?
100.
Well, it's 100 for this one. And then another 100. Circle the groups of blocks to show hundreds. So circle the top one. Circle the middle one. This is another 100, which makes how many? 200. Circle the bottom for the next 100. That makes 300. So how many hundreds are there? There are 300s, which makes how many straws? 300. Okay. That is a lot of straws. Okay. So this is like we're kind of like boys and girls, on our number of the day, we have all those straws over there. Okay? When you have bundles of 10, you're going to group them together to make a 100, okay? I got them over the years, okay? We circled groups of 10 blocks, and there are 10 tens in 100. So if you circled the 10 tens to make 100, you got 3 of those 100s, in which 3 100s is 300. Okay. We're going to do some more extra practice real quick. Okay, boys and girls. Now, here is something that might be a little different. What number is shown with 11 tens? Okay? So if you circled 10 tens, that's how much? How much is this circle of 10 tens? How much is the circle of 10 tens? Guys, we just did this earlier, just a minute ago. Yes, when you circle 10 tens, it is how much? 100. So this right here, this part is 100. But then you have to add one more 10. No, not 101. That is only adding one teeny tiny block. You're not adding one teeny tiny block, you're adding 10 whole blocks.
110.
It's 110. 11 tens is 100, because we circled 1, with 110. So 100 plus 10 is 110. Okay? In the number 110, there is a 1 in the hundredth place because we have 1 100, and a 1 in the tens place because you have 110. Look at this number, 110. Okay, this is the hundredth place.
Why are you writing that way?
So that because it's this number right here. If I write this way, it's going to go all over all of them, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the tens place. And this is the ones place. I don't have any little ones, do I?
No, you don't.
I don't have any little, I drew one. Not that I needed
For
it.
example.
Yeah, it was for an example. But in this picture, I don't have any of that. Okay? Now, guys, when we're circling these tens, you need to think of it. I'm going to show you. Okay? Okay. There are 10 tens. You see this in this little bag?
Sorry, come over here.
Okay, listen. Okay, listen. 10 tens makes one whole big block. So you're pretending like this block is your circle for your 100. Okay? 10 little tens, because they are individualized in here, make a block of 100. But we don't have blocks on our papers yet. We are just circling them to make a block. Okay? Or you can almost make it more like, instead of a block or a circle, you can make it a square. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's do number 1. Circle tens to make 100 and then write the number in different ways. Okay, so let's circle 10 tens. 1, 2, 3. Watch how I'm doing it. Watch how I'm doing it first. Eyes up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to make it a block. Okay? I know that that is 100, right? That is 100 right there. Okay? How many tens do I have?
1, 2.
Well, actually, okay. So I had 10 right here, right? 2 more would be 12. So I have 12 tens. 10 of them makes 100. So how many hundreds do I have? How many 100 blocks? How many 100 blocks?
We have 1.
1. We only circled 1 block of 100. Okay. How many tens are left over?
2.
2 tens are left over. Okay, so what is our new number? If we have 100 and 2 tens, how much is 2 tens, guys?
1.
This 10 would be how much? 10. This is a 10, right? Another 10 is how much? Would be 20. So we have 100,
20.
20.
Are we
No.
going to do this with a partner?
Okay, let's do number 2. Okay, number 7. Count how many tens you have. Number 7. No, you're just counting them individually for the first time. How many tens are there, guys?
20.
20 tens. How many hundreds would that be? There we are circles now. We do circles around how many tens? 10 tens. There is 10 tens. Here is 10 tens. No, you have to have 2 individual circles. Separate. How many hundreds do we have then?
200.
We have 200s. How many tens do we have left over? 0. Do you see how that's a little different than what we had been doing? I just don't want to get you to get tricked. Now, if you have 20 tens and 0 anything else, what is that? 200. Okay? I just didn't want you to get tricked on that. You might have one of those on your math homework. Okay, turn your paper over real quick. Okay, write and draw to explain. I Are you ready? Okay, number 8, let's read it. Kendra has 120 stickers. 10 stickers fill a page. How many pages can she fill? Okay, 120 stickers. Let's draw a picture for it, okay? So let's just go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay, now it says 10 stickers fill a page. So just one of these fill one page. How many pages will she have? No. She will not have 120. It already says she has 120 stickers. 10 stickers fill a page. So this right here, this will be one page. This will be 2 pages. The next 10 will be 2 pages. This 10 will be 3 pages. So how many pages, guys? How many 10s did you make? Did you draw right here? How many 10s? Grayson, how many 10s did you draw? 12. You drew 12 10s. So you will fill 12 pages. Okay? Yeah, it wasn't that bad, was it? Okay, number 9. It's just trying to trick you a little bit because you're not circling them and making them into 100s. Okay, number 9. There are 14 boxes of crackers. There are 10 crackers in each box. How many crackers are in the boxes? Okay, this is different. This is not the same as number 8. We are going to solve it a little different. We are still going to draw the 14 10s. So draw 10 10s on top. So 10, I have 10 on top. And it said 14 boxes, so I'm going to draw 4 more. That would be 14. So draw 14 10s. Okay, this time you can do what you're doing on the other stuff. We can, what do you think you do first? Circle the 10s. See if there's 10 10s. That equals how much?
100.
100. We have 4 10s left over. So that would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So how many crackers would we have?
140.
100. We only have 140. Not 440.
That's a lot.
140. Okay, hot problem. I do not have a dog in my class, so I should not hear dog noises. Ed has 150 marbles. How many bags of 10 marbles does he need to get so that he will have 200 marbles in all? Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw 150 using 10s. Okay? Or let's just even count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130,